Want to create your Pionex account in just a few minutes and unlock full trading access? In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step, from signing up to completing KYC, and show you how to use referral code bonus 888 for exclusive benefits. Pionex is one of the world's leading crypto exchanges, known for its 24/7 automated trading bots and ultra-low fees. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Pionex gives you the tools to trade smarter, not harder. Why sign up and verify? Here's why using referral code bonus 888 and completing KYC is so important. You unlock sign-up rewards and exclusive benefits. With KYC, you raise your deposit and withdrawal limits. Your account is safer. And you gain full access to buying crypto with a card and using every bot available. How to sign up Pionex. Here's how to create your Pionex account. Click the sign up link in the description. Choose to register with your email or phone number. Create a strong password with at least 8 characters, including letters and numbers. Enter referral code bonus 888 during registration to claim your rewards. Confirm your email or SMS with the 4-digit verification code. That's it. Your Pionex account is now ready. How to complete KYC? Next. Let's verify your account. Log in and go to Profile gives KYC verification. For Level 1, select your country and enter your full name. For Level 2, upload a clear photo of your passport or government-issued ID, then complete a quick selfie or liveness check. If required, add your residential address and upload a proof of address like a utility bill. Wait a few minutes. Most verifications are completed within an hour. Once approved, your account will be fully verified, giving you higher withdrawal limits and access to fiat purchases. With KYC versus without KYC, you're limited to basic trading and smaller withdrawals. With KYC, you unlock full features, fiat deposits and withdrawals, higher limits, and complete access to Pionex bots 24/7. Make sure your ID photos are clear and valid. If your verification is rejected, check the reason, correct it, and submit again. Don't wait. Click the sign up link in the description. Enter referral code bonus 888 and complete your KYC today. This is your chance to unlock rewards, exclusive benefits, and start trading smarter with Pionex. Thanks for watching this Pionex sign up tutorial. If you found it helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your crypto journey starts now. See you inside Pionex.